welcome back to another Kacademy video. Welcome to lesson 2 of our education and GCSE series. In this lesson, we'll be learning more about types of numbers. And this is part 2 to that. If you want to watch part 1, then make sure to check out lesson 1. Let's talk about multiples and factors. A multiple is a number that can be divided by another number with no remainder. If you don't understand, then the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30, and they infinitely go on. And if you're still a little bit unsure on what multiples are, well, practically in simple terms, they're just the timetable. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on and so on. Next, talk about factors. A factor is a number that divides another number evenly or without a remainder. So there are limited factors. So if you want to figure out the factors of 24, then there they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Because 24 can be divided by 1. 24 can be divided by 2, because that gives us 12. 24 can be divided by 3, as that gives us 8. And 24 can be divided by 4, as that gives us 6. And vice versa. There are limited factors because only a limited amount of numbers can evenly divide a number. Next up, let's talk about prime numbers and the factor tree and how you can figure out prime numbers. First up, here are a list of prime numbers. If you're unsure on what links all of these numbers, well, all of these are numbers that cannot be divided by anything apart from itself and 1. You'll probably be surprised to see 2 up here, but 2 can only be divided by itself and 1. 2 can only be divided by 2 and 1. Another cool fact about prime numbers is that the number 1 actually is not a prime number. It's a very famous misconception because 1 can only be divided by 1. So it can't, because itself and 1 are the same thing. So it only has one factor. And it's probably, I think, the only number ever to exist to only have one factor. But let's go on to something else. How do we figure out prime numbers? Because say these are tiny numbers, so we understand. But if it was an incredibly huge number, how would we know whether it was a prime number or not? Well, here we use the factor tree. To check whether a number is prime or not, we put the number on top and we take 2 lines out. And then we put 2 factors of that number under the 2 lines. So 2 factors of 24 could be 4 and 6 from the last slide. So 4 and 6. And since 4 and 6 aren't prime numbers, then we can just do it again. So 4 and 6 divided is equal to 2, 2, 2, and 3. So 2, 2, 2, 3. And these are all the prime numbers that make up 24. I accidentally said that this tells us whether it's a prime number or not. This does not tell us whether it's a prime number or not. But it does tell us what prime numbers make up the number. So that's the factor tree. That's lesson 2. This was a quick video, and this was a quick and concise video. So make sure that you understand all the knowledge and you watch the video again if you're still unsure. Make sure to subscribe and like and share this video with someone if you think they need help. And comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you want me to continue this series. And also, drop a comment down below if you want me to include other subjects other than maths. Thanks for watching. Bye.